Hi everyone, Taylor here from 425 Dental. I work in the front office as a patient care coordinator. Wanted to hop on here and say hello to everyone. Hope you and your families are staying safe and healthy during this time. At least we have some sunshine, so I hope you're enjoying the vitamin D, going on walks, going gardening, sitting on your patio, just getting some fresh air. Definitely helps make these times a little bit easier. I did want to share a friendly reminder to make sure that you're switching out your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months. If you do use an electric toothbrush, switch that brush head out every 3 to 4 months as well. If you do notice that the brush or the bristles are getting frayed sooner than that time, switch them out earlier. There is nothing wrong with doing that earlier. We want to make sure we're cleaning our teeth and in between the teeth as efficiently and as effectively as we possibly can to prevent any sugar bugs or cavities forming in between the teeth or on the teeth. Just want to keep everything as clean as we can. If you do need anything, please feel free to reach out to our office. You can text us, you can email us, you can call us, or even reach out to us on Facebook with anything that you might need. Feel free to let us know and we'll do the best that we can to help you. I can't wait to be back in the office and see our patients and get back to work. And I hope you're all having a great day, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.